Well, today we're doing an unboxing of this Tabletop Monument Gas Griddle, and we're also doing a 3-person giveaway. That's right, 3 lucky winners are gonna win this gas griddle or your choice of a tabletop gas grill. So be sure to stay tuned as we unbox, do our first cook with some smash burgers, and then stay till the end to find out how you can enter to win this bad boy. Let's get into it. Hey team, I'm Scott from Bartlow's BBQ, and we're going to be doing this unboxing, but I want to say thank you to Monument Grills for reaching out. This was the perfect timing as we step into a new year. I've been wanting a griddle for the backyard barbecue shack for a while, so perfect timing that they're able to send this to me, let me do a full review of it, and then also give 3 away. So big shout out to you guys. So appreciate your willingness to partner together. So be sure to subscribe to both Bartlow's BBQ and Monument Grills. And then a key way to enter this giveaway is all you have to do is comment in the comment section below beyond subscribing. And this is gonna be your key way of getting a chance to win. We'll do a random name generator to pick 3 winners. You do need to live in the United States. And if I can't get a hold of you, I'll be moving on to the next comment as a winner. So let's get to unboxing and see what this bad boy holds for us. All right, team, we have finished up the unboxing here, but essentially we started with putting the legs together first. The back hinges come with these 2 metal hinges to connect this lid to the lower part of the griddle. Then we added the grease trap on the back, a few other little parts, lowered and connected the handle, screwed in the lid into the tabletop, lowered in the griddle. Now all we have to do is we've connected it to a 20-pound propane tank, is do a burn off for about 5 minutes with the lid shut, which is what we're going to do right now. Make sure I've got everything on. You can hear it. Five minutes, I'll bring you back as we begin to do our first cook, doing some smash burgers. Stay tuned. Set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
All right, team, we've done our 5-minute burn off, and I even let it go a little bit longer on high heat per the instructions. Now I've kind of put some olive oil on there to kind of get it good and ready to go for these smash burgers. We're just gonna do a very classic smash burger, add some bacon. I think I'm gonna even crack an egg on there to see how bacon and egg does on the burger as well. This is my house rub, buttered up the buns. Now it's time to do some smashing. Let's do it. Ooh, buddy. All right. First step, parchment paper. And we are going to get this going. Oh yeah. I'm gonna bring you in so you can see this. Bacon. All right, friends, we have finished up this smash burger. We put bacon, we put eggs. This is a double smash burger. Let's get into it. Toasted the buns. Looks so good, smells so good. Woo. Man, nothing like a good smash burger. Cannot wait to eat this off camera. But this was a straightforward cook, really easy to use. I'm going to put all the measurements of this griddle in the description and the link to this as well so you can learn all about it. But essentially, once I learned the hot spots where you got it on max, you're able to sear this thing pretty great and get a great crust if you're doing steaks or obviously hamburgers like we did today. Then was able to move everything to the grease trap in the back really simply so that I could put the new protein or new ingredient on like eggs or bacon and such. And once I learned hot spots, I was able to get those things cooking really quickly. And this was just really an easy cook and straightforward. So I like the design, I like the functionality. You could easily do so many different burgers on here, or chicken, steaks, or whatever you might dream up. And you can also do direct cooking, indirect with these two gas burners. Set it to max on one side and turn it off on the other and do indirect cooking. So a lot of versatility and get creative on what you can cook on this thing. So far, man, I'm super impressed. This is a very fun grill, and I like that it's also portable, 20-pound propane, and I can unscrew this, store this away, pull it back. It fits perfectly on the barbecue tabletop back here in the shack. So super excited about this. I think you might also be impressed with this as well, and you're definitely not going to want to miss this giveaway. So be sure to put it in the comments, just literally anything you want, and I'm going to do a random name generator so that you can win one of these griddles, or you can choose the gas version, the gas grill version as well. So ton of opportunities to win. And my friends, I just want to say thank you for watching Bartlow's Barbecue and supporting the channel. I want to encourage you to continue to subscribe, not only just to Monument Grills for sponsoring this video with a giveaway, but also support this Bartlow's Barbecue channel. Put in the comments what was the favorite part of your cook and of this cook here. And I can't wait for many more cooks on this. Let me know in the comments what kind of ideas you'd like to see on this, or a comparison or whatnot, and we'll do it. So from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.